Ouch, my tooth hurts.
What's wrong, Tom?
It hurts so much.
Let me see your tooth.
I don't want to open it.
I don't want to open it.
It's okay, just a quick look.
This looks bad.
Why aren't you eating?
My tooth hurts.
Did you brush last night?
I forgot.
You know how important it is. Now go brush.
Tom, that's not good. I was sleepy.
Too much candy is bad.
I know. I'm sorry.
We need to see a dentist.
No, I'm scared.
The dentist will help you.
I don't like doctors.
Do you want the pain to stop?
Yes.
The dentist is friendly. Really? Open up. Just open up. Tom?
Yes, very kind. Okay,
Maybe. Will it hurt?
just a little. I'm nervous.
You're brave.
Hi, Tom.
Hi.
Don't worry. Okay.
Open your mouth. I see the problem.
Is it serious?
Just a small cavity.
Oh.
I will fix it.
Okay.
It doesn't hurt.
See?
Easy.
Good job, Tom. Thank you.
Brush twice a day.
I will.
Less candy, okay?
Yes, I promise. Are you okay now?
Yes. No pain. We're proud of you.
I'm happy. I will brush daily.
That's great.
No more too much candy.
Smile, Tom.
Big smile. I learned a lesson. Good boy. Brush, brush, brush. Every day. I love my teeth. Take care of them. I will always brush. Good habit. Take care of your teeth, everyone. And don't eat too much candy.